In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Canva AI video generator, an incredible tool for beginners looking to create stunning videos effortlessly. Whether you're making a travel vlog, a promotional video, or just something for fun, this tool harnesses AI to simplify the video creation process. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll want to go to canva.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, signing up is easy and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the Canva homepage. Here, you'll want to search for either AI Video Generator or Magic Media, both of which will bring you to the same powerful tool set. Once you've accessed the AI Video Generator, you'll notice a prompt asking for your idea or script. Think about the purpose of your video and type in your concept. For example, you might enter travel vlog about Paris if you're looking to create a travel-themed video. This step is crucial, as it helps the AI understand what kind of video you're aiming to produce. After you've submitted your idea or script, the next step is choosing your video style. Canva provides a variety of styles, allowing your work to reflect the intended mood and overall message. From fun and upbeat to professional and sleek, selecting the right style is important for making your video impactful. After making your choice, click on the Generate button and let Canva's AI work its magic. The AI will then create a draft of your video, and here you can start making adjustments if needed. If there's any text that should be tweaked or clips that don't quite match your vision, you have the freedom to edit these elements. You can also experiment with different music tracks to find the one that best complements your visuals. Canva's interface is intuitive and user-friendly, so making these edits is straightforward. Once you're happy with your video, it's time for the final step: sharing your creation with the world. On Canva, you have the option to download your video in multiple file formats or directly share it to social media platforms. If the video is for something specific, like a presentation or event, downloading might be your best option. And there you have it, a completed video made using the Canva AI Video Generator. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to create professional quality videos with minimal effort. Remember, the key to mastering this tool is experimentation and enjoying the creative process. Have fun exploring, and we can't wait to see what you'll produce using Canva's innovative technology.